Hello students, today we are starting with the binary number system. Okay, so first of all, what is binary number system? Binary is a two-digit numerical system which computers use to store data and compute functions. The reason for which computers use the binary system is that digital switches inside the computer can only be set to either on or off, which are represented by 1 or 0. Means in our previous class also I told you that your computer only understands only one language, that is machine language, or you can say binary numbers, that is in the form of 1 and 0 only. Because of this digital switches, they are only on or off. Here on means 1 and off means 0. Okay, so these are the examples written. So if you write this 20 in your computer, it is written as 1 and like this. So next, reason for which binary number system is used in your computer. Look, being electronic machine, the binary system is the most ideal system for manipulation and understanding. It provides a shorthand rotation of using only two numbers, 0 and 1. It can do any calculation which a decimal number does. As you do that, if you want to add 10 plus 10, 20. So we are using decimal number system. But if you want to do this in your computer, first of all, that 10 plus 10 will be converted to binary number system. Then you can do the multiplication or addition, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now, first we are starting with the topic binary addition. Okay. If you have to add two numbers in your computer, how your computer do it? These are the things given here. Look, these are the two numbers 1, 0, 1. If you want to add them, so there are some rules that you must keep in mind. So I am writing the rules here. If you want to add 0 plus 0, always your answer will be 0. Okay. Second, if you want to add 1 plus 0, always your answer will be 1. Okay. And if you want to add 1 plus 1, your answer will be 0 and carry 1. This is the important thing that you must keep in your mind while doing the addition. Okay. If you add 1 plus 1, you will get the answer 0 and carry 1. Okay. So these are the three main points, or you can say rules, you have to keep in mind while doing the binary addition. Okay. Now let's move to your book. Here we have to add 1 0 with 1. Don't count it as 10. It is 1 0 and this is 1. So 0 plus 1 will give you 1. And simply 1, here we don't have the second value, so you have to copy it. Same here. Okay. So these are the things by which you can do binary addition. Let's take the example. If you have to add this 0 and 1 with 1 1. So 1 plus 1, remainder 0 and carry 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1. Okay. Now here you have to add this 0 and 1. Before that we have to add this carry. So 1 plus 0 will give you 1. Then that carry 1 plus this 1 will give you 0 and again carry 1. So here we don't have any other number, so we will move this 1 to here only. Okay. Look again, 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1 according to the rule. This one. 1 plus 1 equal to 0 and carry 1. So you have to write that carry here. Now this 1 and 0 will give you 1. Okay. Then you have to add this 1 with this one. So again 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1. Okay. And you have to copy this one here, same as it is. Easy. Next, take one more example. This is that if you want to add 1 1 with 1 1. So 1 and 1, 0. Okay. Carry 1. Now hit this 1 and 1 0 and carry 1. Okay, now you have to add this 1 with this 0. Okay, let's do the practical of it. 1 1 1 1 you have to add. So here 1 1 1 1 you have to add this. Okay, how you can do it? 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Okay, now if you add this 1 and this 1, you will get 0 and carry 1. Okay, now we have to add this 1 with this 0. So you will get answer 1 here, and now here we don't have any number, so you have to copy this 1 here same as it is. This is your answer. It is a little bit confusing, but if you do the practice you will get it easily. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Okay, now this one and this one, if you add them, you will get the answer 0 and remainder 1. Now you have to add this 1 with this answer 0. So 1 plus 0 will give you 1. Okay, and this remainder is remaining, but here we don't have any number, so you have to copy that one here same as it. This is the processing by which you can do binary addition. Okay, this is important one. So practice it carefully. Take numbers by your own and do the practice. Now look, if you write in computer like these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, your computer reads them like this. 1, if you write in computer 1, your computer read it like this 0, 0, 0, 1. If you write 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1 like this. Up to 15. The numbers are given here just for your information. Okay, this is the way by which you can identify which number is being used by the computer. If you simply write 15 by using your keyboard, your computer read it like this 1, 1, 1, 1. This conversion is done automatically. And how? We are talking about this first. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is the system which is composed of numbers from 0 to 9. It has 10 digits and hence the base of this system is also 10. So in your maths you are using this number system. Your all the numbers comprised of these digits only 0 to 9. Whether you write 0, whether you like 9009, whatever in lakhs, in crores, they will be between these two. Okay, is total number of digits in this decimal number system is 10. That's why its base is 10. Okay, examples are given here. Next one is octal number system. The octal number system has digits starting from 0 to 7. In this octal number system, we have total 8 digits. Okay, that's why the base of the system is 8. Examples are given here. Okay, next one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal. Hexa means 6, decimal means tens. So means the hexadecimal number system are 0 to 9 digits and characters from A to F. Means 0 to 9, 10 digits will be there, and for next 6 digits we use A to F. That means A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14 and F represents 15, like this. Up to 15 we have. Total number 16s are there and the base of this number system is 16. Okay, this is the way by which you can identify the numbers. Okay, if I tell you you have to write any number with the base 2, so you have to write this like this 1 0 bracket and its base is 2, like this. If I say you have to display any number, that is at the example of octal, so you can write any number here and you have to write the base like this. Okay, if I say display any number, that is the example of hexadecimal, so you can write any number here and you can write the base like this. So basically we have 4 types of number system. This is the example of binary, this is the example of octal, this is the example of decimal, and this is the example of hexadecimal. Basically, these are the 4 examples of number system that are being used in your computers. Okay. In our next video, we will do the conversion. How to convert the decimal number to its binary equivalent. Means if you type 86 in your computer, how your computer converts it into the binary numbers like this. As I told you, your computer doesn't understand this 86. This 86 is need to be converted into these type of numbers. So it is being done by this method. We will talk about this method in our next video. Okay. Till then, watch this video properly. This is most important for your exams as well as for remaining studies. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get all the videos as I upload. Okay. Thank you.